isa pong pinagpala po sa bawat isa po sa atin. I just wanna share with you, bakit po kailangan po, bakit mahalaga po yung pananalangin? Why prayer is so important? Alam niyo po ba kung bakit mahalaga yung panalangin? Because imagine you are talking to the one who created you and me and the heavens and the earth na lumikha ng langit at lupa. The Lord of hosts, the King of kings, who made the galaxies, the universe, the entire universe. Imagine, nakikipag-usap ka sa Panginoon. You fellowship with the Lord. Amen. And when you pray to the Lord, 'di ba yung nararanasan mo, you find peace, you find comfort, you find joy, you find strength, and you find guidance that comes from the Lord. Imagine, pag nakikipag-usap ka sa Panginoon, yung nararanasan mo. And that's why prayer is so important. Really, really important. Amen. I just want to share with you when Jesus came here 2,000 years ago. 'Di ba yung Panginoong Jesucristo, even do sa kabila ng sobrang busy niya sa ministry, 'di ba? And the demands of everyday ng kanyang buhay ng Panginoong Jesucristo. But 'di ba, he showed the importance of prayer. Pinakita niya yung kung gaano kahalaga yung pananalangin. Amen. Even busy siya to cast out demon, to heal the sick, to teach and to preach. Iba-iba yung pinapagaling yung mga sakit, 'di ba? But Jesus chose to isolate himself, to pray, to fellowship, to connect with Abba Father in heaven para mangyari yung kalooban po ng Panginoon. And that's why prayer is so really important. Amen.